Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Lotus key fob. This is very similar to the key fob that Ford has. And here's what you need. A flat blade screwdriver about this size. You also need a 2025 battery. You can get one of these off of Amazon for a couple of bucks. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. Okay, so on the back side of this, there's a little slot right here. And you got to be careful because you can really tear this plastic up. But basically you just want to push hard and slightly twist up. Okay, so once you have that off, some of the Fords, this comes apart here, but on this Lotus, there's a little latch right here, and then there's a tray right here that comes out. So you move the latch over, and just use your screwdriver to pull that tray out. Okay, and there's your dead 2025 battery. Take that out. Replace your other one, positive side down, and slide that tray back in. It'll click in place, and then this just clicks right over the top. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Take care.